Okay, I promised to show you what I made for lunch, and here it comes. As I mentioned, I have to eat healthy out here, and I know, wouldn't really expect much from out of a little pouch like this, but my lunch is piping hot. It's been cooking while I was filming this video here, and I'm going to show you what I've got for lunch right here in just a minute. I'm going to sit down and enjoy fresh salmon with mixed vegetables, cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots, cooked in a lemon butter and garlic sauce. Hold it up a little better so that you can see it. Even got a little cheese sprinkled on the top of it. But that's what I'll be eating for lunch, and that's the kind of stuff that I'm able to cook out here with this little Hot Logic. It took about an hour and a half or so. I'll give a little taste of it here. Oh, that's off the chart, man. I imagine a dinner like that at the restaurant probably cost about $20-something, but I think I paid $4.50 for this chunk of fish. And the vegetables, of course, were, it's just broccoli and cauliflower. But it's just one of the other little hidden elements of being able to pull a Power Wagon like this. I can eat right out here in this nice little shady area. Nice little breeze going. Got the lake right back there in the background. That's better than any restaurant environment I can think of to eat in. But I promised to show you that at the end of the video. There it is. Thanks a bunch, y'all. See you later.